Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 17th, third variant, okay, paper one, and question number 11 there. So what is the first question we have? If you look at the question, diagram shows a curve and a point AB lies on the curve, lying on the curve. So this is A on x-axis and B lies somewhere here. It means this is a line, fourth point lie on the curve. All right, first task is find equation of line AB. So in terms of this, in form of this. So first is not a hard at all. Okay, I'm doing. So first of all, we have given 2 points. So formula is first we need gradient. Formula y2 minus y1. So 2 minus 0 over x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 0 over 5 minus 1. It gives us 2 over 4, give you half. So gradient of the line AB is half. I can write here AB. Okay. So AB gradient is equals to half. Okay. Now I can use any 1 point to get the, I think I should use this or this, no problem. Equation of line formula is very clear. Y minus y1 equals to m times 2x minus x1. So in the place of y1, I will use 0. In the place of x1, I will use 1. So let's start. 1 minus 0 is equals to half times 2x minus 1. Okay, now this fraction part, I always multiply left hand side, make a get rid of fraction part. So this is, but he said no, this form. So 2 divides on the left hand side, on the right hand side, half x and minus half. So this is my answer number 1. So I finished y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, in this option, even you multiply half inside, so no need to the whole working. You can write direct even. So I'm just writing direct answer because he asked a specific form, so that is why. Half x minus half. So I have finished my first part. Now part number 2 is very important part. He's saying, so this is a, you have to read carefully, find what, showing you all working. So find what? Find equation of tangent. So our task is equation of tangent is a question to the curve. Equation of the tangent curve, but where? Because on a curve, which point? Okay. So let's see which point we have. So we don't know, but we mentioned extra. Where line the tangent is parallel to AB line. Repeat again, where tangent is parallel to AB line. So where is okay? How we can find it? I'm showing you. So this a line, or you can understand exactly. So this red line you can see here. This red line is touching the curve at this point, and this point I give a name C. But problem is what? I don't know the C coordinates. Okay, so I need to find this red color line. This is called equation of tangent. And you know, whenever I need equation of tangent, the formula is very near clear. We need to find what? We need to find one point and one gradient. Okay, point, gradient, you know, because they are parallel, AB line and the tangent are parallel. So I will use this half gradient here, no problem, because they are parallel, they have same gradient. Okay, but issue comes only with the point. I don't have the point. So how we can find point? This is an interesting part. So let's talk. First of all, I will differentiate equation of curve. So let's start. I am doing here part number 2. I will differentiate. So y is equals to, given by him, is x minus 1 to power half. And all of you familiar that method of differentiating, power comes down and power become 1 less. 1 less means negative half. Base copy times to base derivative, that is a 1. X has a 1 and 1 has a 0. So 1 minus 0 become 1. And after reshape it or rearrangement, I get this kind of equation. Okay. Now, interesting part, what here, according to statement, he says that tangent, uh, tangent, tangent and line AB are parallel to each other. Repeat again, tangent and line are parallel to each other. So this half, I can plug in here. Okay. So I'm putting here half. So it means put dy over dx is equals to half. Why half I'm replacing here? Because I know that they are parallel. So half times is equals to half times to 1 over root of x minus 1. This 2 goes up and 2 to cancel out. So I get what? 1 is equals to root, sorry, 1 over root x minus 1. Cross multiply, I get x minus 1 root equals to 1. Squaring both sides, I get a x minus 1 equals to 1. And x turned to be 2. So it means the x value of c coordinate becomes 2. Now I need a y coordinate. How to get a y coordinate? So let's see. Y coordinate is a very simple plan. If I replace this in equation of curve, so when 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 root is 1. So I got a 1. So it means c coordinate, I get it 2 comma 1. I copied even top. Okay. Now it is very clear. I got equation of point. I got it. It means that where the curve has, curve has million trillion gradients, but at c to 1 they are parallel to this gradient. Okay, so now I can plug in this 2 1 here and here, and I can get equation of tangent very easily. Okay, so I am finding on the top there equation of tangent. So equation of tangent. So formula y minus y1, and y1 is 1. So I am getting, and gradient is, you have a same gradient. So you know it. Half and x minus 2. This 2 come from here. Okay. Now this 2 multiply left hand side. I get 2y minus 2 and x minus 2. Ultimately, if you look at carefully, this 2 and this 2 cancel out, and I get 2y equal to x. He did not ask like this to give a specific form. So he said, find equation of tangent. If you leave it here, you get a correct answer. If you reshape it, no problem at all. So this is my answer, or I can write a negative x plus 2y is equals to 0. Why I'm writing this form? So some reason behind, you will come know after our interval. Okay. Uh, now this is done. 5 marks and 2 marks, 7 is done now. This is a tough to understand how to get it. But first of all, let me elaborate what the question is. But here, if you write this form or this form, both are correct. Find the perpendicular distance between the point, between the line and the tangent AB. Repeat. I need to find perpendicular distance. I mean short distance. Okay, between the line AB and the tangent AB. So concentrate. Pal. Okay, it means this line, red color line, and this black color line. Look, I'm showing you black color here. You can see there's a black color line. So what is a gap between them? So this distance is my question. Okay. And one more thing I tell you, one more thing, this is 90 degree here. Okay. If I show a big diagram to you, this is a red line top. So this is a tangent, and the bottom is AB line. So this distance 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90. So this distance is asking us to find it. So I hope so you got the idea. I have two plans, one lengthy and one short. Lengthy is what? This C coordinate, I have it. This D coordinate, this point I label as a D. This as I label as a D. Okay. So it means if I have a C and D coordinate, I can apply distance formula and question over. So C coordinate I have it, D coordinate I don't have it. So if you get this wait a minute, I change the color of line. If you check, this is a blue color line and black color line you have already. So CD line and this, so solve them simultaneously to get B coordinate, and then you solve for a distance formula. But I will not do this way. This is lengthy working. I'm going to use a short working, and get ready for the short technique. Okay. What is a short technique? I'm going to teach you now. It's a very easy. Okay. And what technique I'm using. So first of all, concentrate here. This is a point I'm showing here on the top. Wait a minute. Here I'm showing you here. Okay. So just have a look how I can do it. How we can find that this point to what is the title of this one? This point I am going to discuss with you. Point is distance between point to line. Repeat. This is a point. This is a line given by examiner, and I need to find short distance 90 degree. And this distance, whenever you need to find, we have a a technique to find it. Okay, so this point is given by him. I repeat again, this point given, line given. So you can see this C is point, yes given sir, and line AB, yes given. So whenever a point and line given, I can find a short distance between them, but we have a specific formula, and get ready for that. First of all, what is technique to do it? Okay, I'm going to help you. Okay, and what is technique to do it? First of all, I will show as random example, then I will discuss with you. For example, look on the top, I have a point 3 and 4, and line is, let's say, x plus y is equal to 2. So what to do? This point we have it, this point and the line I have it. I need to find distance between the line. Then what I will do, first of all, this 2 I will bring on left hand side. So it becomes -2. So let's start. -2 equal to 0. This form you must need it, otherwise you can't solve it. Okay, what is technique to get distance? I'm writing here formula, blue color, you can understand. In root, down part, in denominator. So take the root yourself and x coefficient. Okay, let's say this is not x, this is a 2. And this is a 2x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So x coefficient, put square here. Y coefficient is 1, so put square here. Done. And now replace this x and put in the place of x. So 2 times 2, 3. And this y will come in the place of this y, and 4 and minus 2 as it is. I repeat again, let me write again. You will copy equation here as it is. Equation of line, copy here. But after copying, what you will do, remove this y and x and plug in these coordinates over. This is a whole story. I think you got the idea. So here I'm putting 3 and here I'm putting 4. And if you solve it, this will give you a distance, a point, 2 line. No need to work out for everything. So I think you got idea. And now I'm applying the same story here. So get ready. So first of all, C given here. Okay, and the line AB equation is given here. But line AB, I have to reshape it. So let me reshape the line. And I've given a show example here, blue color writing. Okay, and this point is C, C 2, 1. Okay, and line equation is, if I multiply this 2 on the left hand side, it turns to be 2y equal to x minus 1. But I need both on the left hand side, so x and 1 go there, and my negative x and plus 1 equals to 0. Sorry, in order means x first, y later, but no problem. You can leave even this form even. Let's start. So what is the formula of distance? In denominator, root, and in root, x coefficient and y coefficient. X coefficient minus 1, square it. Y coefficient 2, so square it. And this formula equation of line I'm copying here. So 2y minus x plus 1. But in the place of y, put y value. In the place of x, put x value. That's it. And when I plug in the values, you'll see, inshallah, y value is 1 and x value is 2. And this 2 and this 2 cancel out. And you know very well, it's the clear, this cancel out. Okay, let me finalize the answer. So D is equals to 1 comes in the numerator. 2 square is a 4 plus 1, 5. So root 1, 5. So this is my answer for the whole concept. So distance between the tangent and the line AB is 1 over root 5. How root 5? 2 square and 1 square. So 4 plus 1, 5. And this is my final answer. I hope so you got this point very well. This is just an example. It's just example to understand, and concept is totally clear.